So you want to get 4 medium-sized bananas. The riper the better. So I don't have, this is ideal, and these are in the refrigerator and they look really gross, but I like the ripe bananas because they are sweeter, and we want the sweet bananas because I am not adding sugar, honey, or maple syrup. So we're going to use the sweetness from the bananas. So you want to put this in a small food processor so that it blends up very well. It doesn't work in one of those smoothie cups. So one of these small ones is exactly what you want. And we're going to make 4. So I want 4 bananas. Four teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And I like to use this little strainer because you definitely do not want any of these bitter seeds in there. And that will just be, you don't want to break a tooth. And then I'm using unsweetened tahini. So tahini is a ground sesame seed. And the fat rises to the top, so just give it a little spin. We want 4 level teaspoons of tahini. I've actually made tahini myself. I ground the sesame seeds and it took a long time. It's something like 30 minutes. And it just did not come out as nice and creamy like this. So I like to, it's easier just to buy it. And this gives it a wonderful creaminess. So it's not like super hard popsicle that you have to suck on. You can just actually bite into these, which makes them unique and delicious. And then you want to add 4 teaspoons of alcohol-free vanilla extract. And since we're not cooking this, we're just gonna freeze it. You wanna make sure it's alcohol-free, otherwise the alcohol flavor will overpower it. So then we'll just taste the vanilla. It'll be super yummy. Then just blend until smooth and creamy. Here's how it looks, and I want to check to see if there's any chunks that I didn't get. Now, it's okay to have little chunks in there, but they won't have all the flavor from the lemon or the vanilla or the tahini yet. So we've got some chunks. Whoops! So I should have cut this into smaller pieces. I should have broken them into smaller pieces, but I was rushing, trying to make this quick. All right, so now I've got these big chunks, and I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna smash them, and then I'm just gonna put them back into the blender so that it's fully incorporated. I don't know if you could see this. So I want to make it more like an ice cream. All right, so I'm going to blend it again, because we want this to be as delicious as possible. All right, blend it again. Much better. Creamy. Okay, good. Nice and creamy. All right. And now we're just going to pour it. And now I've got these silicone popsicle molds, and these are great. This is pretty heavy too. All right, we're just going to pour it in. Oops. Don't fill it all the way, most of the way. whatever's left over, you can just put it into a smoothie. And then you just put the little tops in, and it will take 6 hours to freeze. These popsicles have been frozen for overnight, and look how cool this is. These are these silicone popsicle molds, so you don't have to pop. Isn't that fun? Aw, some of it's stuck. Okay, push this down all the way. So I'm gonna put that back in the fridge. So now, a little bit of tahini. Drizzle it over. And this gives it a really nice creaminess. It gives it more of an ice cream. All right. So, oh, yum. Okay. This is so amazing. So I did leave it sitting out for about 5 minutes, so it's not icy cold. And see, I don't have to like suck on it like a popsicle. I just bite it. Really, it's unbelievably sweet, considering that there's no sweeteners added to it. So it's more frozen down at the bottom because it defrosts from the bottom up, because it's less it's whiter on the bottom. But yeah, I'll eat 1 to 2 popsicles a day, and they're very low calories, a great snack. And I'll have the ingredient list below. Let me know if you have any questions. Yum.